know you.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm excited. In one of my past videos, I did a review on the Sally Hansen at-home waxing kit that you would put in the microwave and then you would put it on your face. And I had a lot of fun with that. Like, it was really fun. And I was like, well, I want like the real thing, because I was getting annoyed because I had to go all the way downstairs in my house to put it in the microwave and then do that again and again and again because it would cool so quickly. So I was on Instagram and I kept seeing the advertisements about this wax kit and I wanted it, so I got it. I got it from two different, it was on a special. That was the only reason I got it. It was like 50% off or something like that. So I bought this kit because I think it cost like $80 and then I got it for like 30 something, but plus shipping was like 40 something. So and then I saw this other special in this other company. I didn't realize it was another company at the time, and I got a bunch of the wax beads. It was like each one was like $14 and I got them for $2 each. So you best believe I got a bunch of those. When I tried to wax my legs in the past videos, it was just really hard because it was so little strips and it was like a whole leg, and I thought that was gonna be too much. But when I saw on Instagram, they were doing like a whole leg in like an instant, like, and I was like, I'm excited. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the beads, the wax beads. I open it. When I got home, it was opened. And please comment below if you guys can relate that people be opening your mail. Like, okay, anyways, it came in this thing already opened, and this is what they look like. It's interesting because they came in like different packaging, even though they came in the same package. So there's these are the colors, and I got these colors, and again each cost like $2. They look like little chocolate candies. Like, when my friend saw these, she was like, can I eat them? I was like, I don't think you want to. So now I'm gonna open this box up, which is where the kit came. It's very light, which I'm surprised about, because since it's a machine not a machine, but the bowl that heats it up, I thought it would be a little heavier. But so let's open this up. Here's what it looks like. So okay, the company is the Perfect Sculpt. So let's open this up. Here's what comes inside. So thank God I bought separate beads, because look how small this little bag is. This is the lavender color. I think it's like, you know, I bought this once and I can use it many times. So that's me like saving up a lot of money. Like, I can use this a bunch of times. Wow, if I go to the salon, I don't know how many, I think for like, I'm guessing close to $80, $100 depending on where you go. And so the instructions are pretty simple. You plug it in, put the beads inside, turn it all the way up to high, wait till it melts, put it down to medium, test it out on your wrist so you don't get burnt before you use it. You don't burn yourself. Oh, and always cover it because you don't want dust to get on it. And while it's heating up, while the beads are melting, you can put the lid on it so that no dust can go inside and it can just like heat up faster. And you can have it on medium for the rest of the day until the evening, I guess, and you can turn it off. Pretty simple, right? So let's get started. I'm excited. So I'm always gonna be real with you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I really didn't like the wax that came with it for a lot of reasons. It didn't come off as smoothly as it said it did, and it took a long time to dry. Like once it dried, it was still so soft that a lot of my hairs would still stay, so I would have to redo it and redo it until it would come off, and sometimes it wouldn't even come off. Some of the parts even like stuck to my skin, so it was just like, I mean, it was still fun because you're doing something new, but it was not doing the job that it said it was gonna do. And since you guys already know that I bought several other waxes, I wanted to try out the waxes that came from the other company to see if it was just a wax. So I tried this wax that came with the other company, which I cannot remember right now, but this one acted a lot better. It dried quickly and it actually pulled the hairs, and it didn't get stuck to my skin. I tried the pink wax on my eyebrows and on my mustache, and it did wonders. It was quick, so that was awesome. And I finished up on my legs with the pink wax, because that was wax that was when it dropped. I'm putting a little clip of me waxing my armpits because I didn't get to do that last time, but I'm gonna do it now with the pink wax, and you guys will be able to see it in my natural setting. Okay guys, so roll the clip. A con of this though is that parts seem to like not all come out of the wax, so I keep getting like, I keep having like little pieces of wax still stuck to my skin. They go away after a while, not a while, but like a couple of hours. Once it like, it might come off, or I might be able to get it off now if I take the time to take it off now, but that's still like just an annoying part of it. I wish it just all came out in one piece, but I feel like if I put more wax on it, like if it's not a thin piece of wax, they all come out in one piece like this one. Like this one is like a good amount of wax, and it all came out in one piece, and all the hairs right here. Ooh, that's so weird. Anyways, but like with this one, it was like thin, like little pieces came off. All the hair came off, but it was still little pieces, so it was like the torture was like longer. So that wasn't fun. But overall, I'm gonna rate this wax. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 because it did its job. It's still really good. It dried and boom, it came off, and it was like good. This one, it dried and it still didn't come off. No. So this wax, I really give it a 4 out of 5. It was really cool. The reason I'm not giving it a 5 is because obviously little pieces still get stuck to it, which sucks. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching all of my videos. Make sure you watch all of them. Share, like, and subscribe if you haven't. Support your girl. As I always say, support me, and the way you can do that is by liking and sharing and all of that stuff. Comment below anything else that you guys might want to see, any suggestions, any comments, all of that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.